What's up guys, Agent with AC Designs. On this episode I'm going to show you how to put the air back in aerosol. Coming up. Alright guys, here's a few things you're going to need to do this project with. Is like a regular tire chuck to fill the air up on the valve core. You're going to need some way to regulate. This is the one I used in the video. I just made it up. You can't really buy this. I guess you can make it in pieces if you want. You need some way to regulate, which most of you guys are going to have a regulator on your compressor and stuff, but you need a way to regulate it. You're going to need a valve core like just in your wheel on your car. You can get these at most big box stores like your auto parts stores and stuff. There's nothing special about it. You just need one of these to put in the top to fill the can. Then you need a half full can with no air in it, aerosol can. That's all you need for this project. Alright guys, I'm going to show you basically what we're going to do. If you have these cans sitting around a lot of times, WD-40, a lot of your lubricant cans, they'll lose the pressure out of them. Now this can is like 3/4 full, so I don't want to waste and throw this thing away. So I'm going to show you how to fill this thing up using your valve core out of a tire. This is a brand new one. But the type cans you have to use are these like this. They have the little spout on them. And then this here seals on the can like this. And we just put it on there, and you want to put about 95 to 105. I went online, that's what WD-40 says. They pressurize their can at 95 psi to 105. So I run my air tools at 90 to 95 psi, so mine's set up. So what you want to do if you have like a regular compressor, they usually have two gauges on them, and one will tell your tank pressure, the other will tell your working pressure. So you want to set your working pressure to about 95 psi, and you should be good. And we're just probably going to spray this for about 10 seconds. And also doing this, make sure you wear some kind of safety glasses like these rad 1970 looking ones when you're doing this, because you are putting compressed air in here, and this chemical could come out and spray you in the face. So make sure you're safe with that. Alright guys, now it's time to fill it. We're just going to pull our cap off, and what we'll do is we'll set our valve core on here and make sure it's sealed good. You may have to hold some pressure downward on the valve core to get it to seat, then just put it on there and fill it up. We're probably going to hold it down for about 10 seconds, no more than that. It should be sufficient, or if you want to, you can just do a little short burst. But just, we'll try that and see if it filled it up. Gotta hold down pretty good on it. But you can hear it bubbling a little bit in the bottom. Alright, let's see if we recharge this can, save us a little bit of money. Oh yeah, that works pretty good. Alright, now I'm going to show you the messier version. This is the way I usually do it, because it's just a run and gun, go and do it. I got these little blow nozzles laying around. Yeah, this way here works really fast. But like I said, you need to get you a rag and just wrap around here, because it'll make a mess. So here we go. So what I'm going to basically do before I cover it up, because you can't see it, I'm going to take this and you push down, go ahead and push down on your valve before you squeeze it to fill it, and that's how you'll do it with this. Alright, we'll press down and fill it up. Alrighty, that's how you do it. Save you a little bit of money. I know I've done this trick several times. I guess when these things just sit around, they just slightly lose their pressure and stuff. This is a really cool way of being able to save yourself a little bit of money instead of throwing it away. Like I said, this can's almost full. And we went to use it the other day when we was working on a truck chassis and needed to loosen up some rusty bolts. Walk out there, nothing works. But I hope this will help you out, guys. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see all my videos when they come out. God bless. We're gone.